Today we will read our second lesson of Quranic alphabets from letter Ha to Ra. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Ha. Please read after me. Ha. Please remember, Ha has no dot and Ha has clear sound. Ha, 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 Ha. Our next letter is Ha. Please read after me. Ha. Please remember, Ha has one dot on top. Ha, 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 Ha. These two letters are similar. You should know what is difference between Ha and Ha. Ha has clear sound and Ha has a little different sound. Please try to understand. We will practice both letters. Ha, 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 Ha. Our next letter is Dal. Please read after me. Dal, Dal. Please remember, Dal has no dot on it. Dal, 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 Dal. Our next letter is Zal. Please read after me. Zal, Zal, Zal. Please remember, Zal has one dot on top. Dots are very significant. You must know Zal has one dot on top. Zal. Zal has soft sound. Read Zal without whistle sound. Zal, 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 Zal. Our next letter is Ra. Please read after me. Ra. 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 Please remember Ra has no dot and read Ra with heavy and thick sound. You can make thick sound in Ra raising your tongue toward palate. Ra. 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 Our today's lesson is completed. Now you please practice this lesson 3 times a day for 3 days and we will learn our next lesson soon, inshallah. If you have any question regarding this lesson or previous lessons, please ask in comments section below and we will give you quick answer, inshallah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.